Oh, hello, everybody. Hey, hope you guys had a profitable day today. Today's the 29th day of July, 2024. I wanted to share the order flow trade opportunities that were presented this morning. Market opened up at 9:30 and had a red structure. We had this nice rocket pivot retag here, but we didn't have any rocket on the pivot retag. So I passed on this one. That one would have been a winner. Instead, after structure changed here, we were in an oversold condition. It came back and gave us a nice retag with a rocket and took this trade, and that one was an easy winner. After that, we had a similar type of situation where here we had a T2 with a rocket and a needle bar. So that was a nice entry there. And then we had a losing trade. We had a nice, I think, a well-qualified setup. Market was returning back. It was still in an up structure mode right on the structure reference line. We got an out-of-bounds pivot retag with a rocket and a double lead out here. And I took this trade, and it was not a winner for us. It kind of walked backwards almost right away. Structure then changed. We let it work through. And we had a double rocket pivot retag with the lead out and took this trade. It took a little bit of heat on us, but it eventually went on to become a winner. After structure changed, we had another rocket with a lead out type of situation. It did walk backwards on us, but then eventually went forward to become a winner. Structure changed back up to the long side again. And we had a rocket with the lead out here. Took that one, went to break even on this one, so that one didn't affect me, but it actually ended up being a losing trade. Then we had an out-of-bounds situation where we were in an overbought situation. Came back, gave a pivot retag with a double lead out down below. Didn't really come all that much in our favor on this trade and walked backwards. Wish I would have been able to take the entry here, but I didn't. I took it down here. That was a losing trade. Next trade was the also classic rocket smart breakpoint lead out with a downward structure. It did walk backwards a little bit, but then it went on to be a winner for us. Very similar type of setup, a little after 11 o'clock. Overbought situation. Nice divergent rocket lead out on a red background. That trade went 11 ticks in our favor, and then walked backwards and took us out. And then that was it for the day. So when you look at those trades, today we were 5 and 4 for 56%, only a 1.25% profit factor, and a net P&L today of $160 with a $418 drawdown. Tough day. What's interesting about this though is I kept trading. I missed a couple of these trades and actually ended up at noon being green or being red on the day. So I kept trading, and when I tag the trades for the rest of the afternoon, if I take away just 9:30 to 12, and I just do that, the market opened up quite a bit, and actually ended up being 10 and 5 overall with a 2.0 profit factor. And almost $930 in profit. So I was able to recover the day, but this morning I found it to be kind of a difficult day. Could be because it's FOMC week. Could be because there's lots of earnings. Could be. I try to block that out when I'm trading. I'm really just a signal trader. I'm looking at structure. I'm looking at what the signals are, and I'm pretty much just taking my 3 setups. Okay, so hope you guys had a profitable day. I'm looking forward to keeping this YouTube channel going. I'll continue to post. Talk to you soon. Leave any comments or questions in the comment section. I'll be sure to get back with you. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.